Hi, my name is Alina, and welcome to the demo video for the RAKAPP mobile application. We'll first start by signing into the app and entering an email address and password. The authentication is powered by Strapi, and once we are granted access, we are brought to the central hub. From here, we can access all of the content and pages that reside within the app. Let's first start by taking a look at the news page, which contains a plethora of articles rendered from Strapi, each with their own picture and corresponding information. Over in Commander's Bulletin, we have the Commander bios, along with the Commander welcome letter, the Commander's vision, the policy letters, and off-limits establishments. All of the content is pulled from Strapi, but as you can see, there are a lot of placeholders right now because we don't have the real information to put in the app. Moving on to battalions, we have a listing of all the battalions within the brigade. Each battalion has its own news page, policies, call roster, and S shop. Each of the S shops has its own specific page as well. Going back to the central hub, we can take a look at RAK history, which contains a list of historical events that have happened within the division. There are things such as notable events, Medal of Honor recipients, lineage honors, and much more. The Blue Book contains the Blue Book policies as a PDF for soldiers to view. All of it's rendered through Strapi. Training in schools shows the educational opportunities within the brigade, including new badges and how to obtain them. In and out processing is a checklist specific to each user where you can keep track of your in and out processing tasks. The Army Resources page contains information about the resource organizations on the base. Each resource organization has its own calendar where they can put upcoming events, which are shown as blue dots. They also have their own document section where they can upload documents to Strapi, and they'll show up here on the app. Moving on, we can take a look at the forums page next. The forums page is organized by topic. In the general topic, we can see a list of all the existing posts, and on this screen we can also make a new post by entering a title and post content. On this screen, once we are happy, we can submit it, and immediately it is shown on the app. We can also add comments to the post as well by clicking on it. As you can see, everything is instant when it comes to the forums. The RAKFit section of the app is next, and it showcases some of the information related to fitness and well-being. The Runner tab is where the RAKAPP game will reside, but currently it's not available. Moving on to the chat feature, the chat allows for instant messaging between users. Here you can send and receive messages. For example, we can type a new message that says welcome, and once we hit send, it will immediately be sent to all the people that are within that specific chat. You can also make new chats by adding users from the corresponding user list, and once you select the users you want, you can give the chat a name. In this case, we'll call it new chat. Once we hit refresh, the application will render the new chat, and now we can start sending messages. The last two features we want to showcase include the Request a Feature tab, which allows users to submit their ideas for RAKAPP and they're sent to Strapi. And lastly, we have the Account feature where users can update their account preferences. They can change their password and profile picture. You can select from default profile pictures like I just did, or you can upload your own profile picture as well. You can select an image from your gallery and crop it to your liking. And once it's updated, you will be able to see it immediately reflected on the app. Thank you so much for watching the demonstration. We hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.